Hi there, welcome to Design Dash. Hope you are doing great this year. Today we will be making simple yet sophisticated design of menu. Let's start by taking an A4 size workspace. To keep the thing joyful, we are using Sugo display font. Make this shadow effect by placing the same text off center to the original one. Add a logo to the side. Pick the colors from the brand logo here, beige, red and orange. Add something that symbolizes your brand. Here I am taking a crown. Start making categories and the items in the same font. Make border around items to make them more distinguishable from background and add a pill shape behind the category title. Select the main category and make it big.
That's what she said.
Insert an image of combo, cause why not? Every foodie needs one. Add a special sticker and mention combo name and its price. You can also write the ingredients which will be available to make it more descriptive. Make the main category, here burger, different from the rest by changing its color to a unique one. It still looks dull, so add images of fast food in the background and decrease their transparency. Remember, we need to make an appealing menu. Add a rounded rectangle border in the complementary color. Thank you for your time. Like or dislike the video to your liking. If you like this menu, I'm sure you will like this burger ad post tutorial. Thank you.